All right, welcome to the lesson. It is going to be awesome. It's a tough challenge, probably our toughest challenge so far. The challenge that you have, excuse me, you need to write your name. Have the robot write your name. The robot here is writing my oldest daughter's name. My name is not Ha. You can have it write your first name or your last name, or both if you want. You're special. Or your nickname. All right, 3, 4. Let's make it a 5. Let's make it a 5-letter minimum, 4-letter minimum, whatever. All right, have it write your name. Boom, but no. Change your colors each letter. Bam.